Alright guys, you know who I'm with right now.
I'm not in it.
Tell me what we about to do today, man.
I don't really know. I just know we taking pictures. That's all I.
Yeah, man. Man, y'all see the transformation though? This man had waves last time y'all saw him. Now look at him. We got a little Froski, a little taper fade Froski. I'm gonna catch y'all when we about to go to the shoot. Yep. Just got the pieces. Jeff rocking the navy blue jaunt. You're truly rocking the gray jaunt. But yeah, me and Jeff about to cook up on these, man.
Type shit.
Well guys, very successful shoot with Jeff. As you can see, man, it's getting a little dark, but we got it done. Oh, he said salute.
Check y'all boys out later.
Alright guys, just made it back to the crib. Alright now, me and Jeff.
Pizzeria, 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 pizzeria.
Yeah man, we got the plain pie ski with the vitamin water. You already know, man. He said shout out Jase or you already know, man. Huh. Come on, man. We don't mess with these fast food places. Only mom and pop shops. Oh my gosh. Cutting that out.
You said throw some cashews on there.
Excellent.
It's protein.
Excellent shoot today. Tomorrow's just about to be even better. Come on, man. Come on, man. Any words before the night ends?
Let's dig in, bro. Let's dig in. Shout out Jeff Got Juice. You know what I'm saying? Jeff Got Juice on all socials. TikTok, Instagram, Twitch. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Especially that Twitch. Me and him be frying heads on Live 19. What they know about Live 19? What they know about Live 19? Alright, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Successful day today. Alright, man. Amen. See you, man. So, picking out a fit for tomorrow's. What are we doing tomorrow, Jeff?
If we make it on time, we're going to a car show.
So yeah, picking out a fit for tomorrow's car show. As you can see, well, Jeff don't got nothing on, but see the fit ski. I'm rocking with it, but you know, Jeff said you need a level color. So that's why I added the beanie, you know? Call him a little beanie pop of color, but you know, he not rocking with it. He not rocking with it. Acting like I can't put that shit on for real. But you know. Feel me. Alright, let's see your fit though, gang. Yeah.
Took my clothes off. Literally took. He asking me this after I take my clothes off.
But yeah, man. Hold on, get my fit real quick. Chat, let me know. Scale 1 to 10. How good is the fit? Scale 1 to 10. Come on. See the accessories. Come on, man. Come on, man. ID on the hoodie. ID on the hoodie. That's all I gotta say. Feel me? Alright guys, just touched down at Jeff's crib. About to head to JC, man.
Yeah.
It's mad bright.
It is mad bright. Oof. It'll come like these.
Yeah. Yeah, don't mind him. He's a zester fester. What happened?
I said, where do you think he would be at?
I do not know. Just find his car. You know what his car looks like? It's a Beamer.
I do know
it's a Beamer.
Type shit. Why you want me to record? Cause you scared?
Low-key.
Huh?
Low-key.
Low-key?
Yeah, because I
Type
don't
shit,
got
type
no
shit.
car knowledge.
Type shit, type shit, type shit.
Yo, you say you're gonna do a voiceover for my joint explaining what these are?
What, the cars or the engines?
Yeah, he's been like, Jeff got juice on the bike, man.
You're a funny ass nigga. Bitches, man, cause I put the game this one.
What I gotta find the toughest car though.
You should have took a picture of something else. I don't know. I don't know. What you know about the Ray wheels? Look at me. What's up? Yeah.
Add Jeff got juice on your shit.
On my car? Is that what you want me to do? Let that focus. You come on out like that. You know what I'm saying? Watch out. Let me slide to the, hold on, go this way. Rosie, that's it. That's all you get.
Shit lower than your field goal.
gonna be right there. That Z type shit. The Z.
That's hard.
Z in my car if you want and do the vlog too, because you want to record it, right? You just in the car.
Alright, we're gonna say that. Alright guys, this is Jeff first time at Jollibee. He's gonna try the pineapple juice while we're waiting for the food. Refreshing.
It's good, it's good.
Out of 10, what are we rating it?
I think because I'm black, I want it sweeter. But it's like not sweet, so it gives like a very naturalist pineapple vibe. So I'd probably give it like an 8.
Watch out. Thank you. Ugh. Type shit.
Shit lower than your taper fade.
You just wanted to say something. You know that? You just be wanting to say stuff. Watch out. How many times have I said it so far? Around this way. They are. We gotta get on the tube, bro.
I need to buy a lens.
Little eyes one.
Yeah, I don't even got a lens on it.
Alright guys, first bites, we don't got too much time left. Jollibee, French fries.
With a mashed potato though. Shout out Popeyes JC though.
Alright.
Oh, here's one chicken. This is yours.
Alright. Chicken. We're gonna try the skin first. The skin is skinning.
Easy work.
Come in here. First bites, it got a nice kick to it. It's actually a little hot. Popeyes don't be making it hot.
Like how you didn't wait for me, but it's all good.
You know what it tastes like already.
Yeah, I know.
It is for sure better than Popeyes. People did not lie about that. So, I'll give it like a 8 or 7.
You think this is the best fast food chicken place? Like, when I say fast food, I mean like chain restaurants.
Maybe. You want my piece of chicken? I didn't bite it. I just peeled it off.
What?
I just peeled it off. Do you want it? Remember, I said I just wanted to try it.
Sure.
Oh, let me get a dip. I'm gonna dip it.
Yeah, dip it in the gravy.
See what the gravy talking about. He's talking about the gravy.
Oh, good.
Okay. The gravy is gravy. The gravy is gravy.
Chat, since I'm Filipino, I grew up with this shit, so it's like childhood again. Mashed potatoes before. We're gonna try the mashed potatoes for the first time. Already got the gravy in it. Good sign. Chat, what are we doing, man? First bite. Cheers. Now, I believe the mashed potato is the top 3 use of a potato. It would have to be fries, then hash browns, then mashed potatoes.
Well, I mean, what else are you using?
Like you can do like cubed potatoes. You can do wedges. All that. I do wish it was a little bit more hot though. But I'll rate this like a smooth 6 out of 10. Nothing crazy.
Very crispy, very meaty, not dry. I didn't even get no sauce and it's not dry.
What we rating it like, and like compared to other chicken sandwiches?
Mmm. I ain't gonna lie. The Popeyes chicken sandwich is really Jordan Poole-ish. It's very inconsistent, but when it's good, and when it's bad, depending on what piece of chicken you get. You know, Chick-fil-A is gonna always be Stephen Curry. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna give you a 20 ball. You know what I'm saying? That one's good. I feel like this is like, because I only had it one time, it's really a rookie right now. But right now it's giving really good rookie numbers.
Like one banyama? It's giving a one banyama?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit.
Got the peach mango pie. It's the first time Jeff's trying it, so let's do a cheers and then eat it on 3. Cheers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 9 out of 10. I wish it was a little less loosey. It was very like loosey, like the filling.
Nah, that's what I was saying. I was thinking, whatchamacallit, they didn't like, there's not as much filling as I'm used to. That shit used to be loaded with like mango.
That would be like more of like a chunky and not more of like an applesauce.
That would have made it 10 out of 10 for sure.
Overall, I think I'd give it a, I'm gonna give Jollibee an 8 out of 10. Great first impression. Now, we're about to go flick up, hit some stores, and do what we do best, you know?
But yeah, already a W day so far. Just filled with great people, great cars, and everybody's Filipino here. Everybody's Filipino here, man.
If y'all didn't know, I'm 10% Filipino.
I thought we said 25. I thought we said 25.
Oh, we gotta do 10 because the Dominican is the 25. 10% Filipino, 25% Dominican, and 65% African American. Actually, I'm like, my fault. 35% African American and 20% Native American.
Let's just say bro's cultured.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I drive a Honda. Man.
Out of all the cars there, what car would you say, not necessarily the best car, but what car would you see yourself in? That's not as similar as your car.
So not a Honda.
Basically.
I can see myself in that Evo. I can see myself in that RX-7. You know, the more I get older, the more I start to think that Supras are overrated. I don't know. I just don't, like, the silhouette of a Supra is cool and all, but I think it gets too much love. Really, like, I love my sedans, and if I have to get a sedan, it'll, like you said, I can't say no Hondas, so I get like a, you know, a Evo, not a Subaru no more. I used to love Subarus, but not a Subaru. I'd probably get like an Evo. But yeah, everything else really here is a bunch of Hondas and anything foreign. We saw one SRT. Yeah, one SRT, that was about it. A lot of Toyotas and Hondas, a couple of Mazdas, and that's really it. But that's my type of car show, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, that's what I like to see.
I'm not really a car guy, just really educating me today. But it was still a great experience nonetheless.
We need to put the garbage can on the key.
Down right here. Alright guys, gonna get back to y'all when we take the flex. Alright guys, made it to the first location for me and Jeff's shoot. I was thinking a more, you know, city vibe, you know, more buildings, garage areas, you know, something that screams Jersey City. And you know, Jeff going for the more grunge vibe. We might use that abandoned house right there. There's some, you know, there's some wood decks over there. Random porta potty that flipped over. But yeah, we better cook up, man. I'm excited. I'm excited for a.
It's happening, baby. It's happening, baby. It's happening, baby. You already see Fit done changed already. Fit done changed already.
We on the iPhone camera right now, cause yeah, we just left my camera all the way out there. We on a new location though. But hey, I cooked up with Jeff's flicks. Best believe Jeff gonna cook up for my flicks. But yeah, but you see the outfit change though? Where you get this outfit from? Where you get this outfit from? Looking like my uncle. Look at it.
Sorry for that. But yeah, let's get into this work. Let's get
Just finished taking the flicks and
boy, did they come out great.
just cooked up. I don't know. We were just like 2016 Braun and Kyrie, 41 a pop. You know?
Clay and Steph, you know what I'm saying?
Clay's washed, but maybe like back then Clay, maybe back then Clay, but yeah, we just cooked up D-Book, KD style. What else? What other duos?
Westbrook and KD
style. We're cooked up. Cooked up Scotty Jordan. Tight. About to head to the thrift spot that we wanted to go to. Hopefully it's open. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all at the thrift spot.
Yes, sir. Say it.
Very flowery. Smells like a flower.
You don't got that camera work like me though.
Well guys, kind of a fail right now. The third spot was not open. Went to Bath and Body Works, freshened up. You know, hand smelling good. Feel me? But you know, about to just lounge a little bit, see where the day takes us.
This is right here.
So
What?
this is like, that's like an inventory room kind of. Like we're cleaning it. So we push everything in here. And now like, in here, this is where, I guess it's messy right now because we're preparing for the city. I just don't know where.
Okay.
I forget
you know
where.
time?
Yeah, it's from 11 to 7, I think Saturday and Sunday. But Sunday,
As soon as we got there, right? So it was like, all right, whatever. But we was there for like, what, 2 hours and some change. Then we went and got Jollibee. Then after we got Jollibee, we were supposed to go thrift at this, what the, yeah, we just did. We really just did.
it's like a,
Oh, nah, this jump big. This gotta be like an XL, bro.
Yeah, it's super big. But that's how Venmont fit though.
It's not like, it's like big, but not like big, if that makes sense. Like I look cozy.
Mmm.
nah, I don't work tomorrow. So I'm on whatever time.
Damn. Damn.
I got going for next Saturday. I was like, yo, I'm
I gotta get this one.
They ran out of the hash brown shit.
This one, the croissant thing. The coffee donut.
It's a croissant.
Nah, like this one, right? Nah, that's crazy.
Wait, give me.
Yeah, this one. No, where you think I do like short term? Yo, we gonna make 100 each.
Wait, let it focus, let it focus. Mmm. Chad, I do not condone the rolling eyes. I do not condone the rolling eyes, man.